click on Home City Corporate Office, and I just want to zoom out, click on Main Wiring Closet, and we click here Create New. So what I want to do now is I want to click on, so to bear with me now to find what I'm looking for. So we're going to put in a patch panel. Next I'm going to put in a router. And next I'm going to put in a 2960 switch. And I'm going to put in a server. Now I'm going to connect these up, so I'm going to click on Logical. I'm going to go back to physical, click this button, and now I'm going to put in our copper wall mount, and now I'm going to wire it up. Okay, it's just a little slow, you just have to bear with me. Okay, so now I need to zoom in, and now I need to wire this up. Now I can zoom out. Now I'm going to click this button here, and next I'm going to add 4 laptops. Now we're going to connect these up. And next I'm going to configure the server. So we'll set the IP address. So the IP address for this server is going to be 192.168.1.2, and the default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. And next we're going to go to services, DHCP, and the default gateway is again 192.168 1.1.1. And the start IP address will be 192.168.1.3. Click on and save. Click back. Now I'm just going to click here on the laptops and click DHCP. And you can see it's got an IP address. And we'll do the same for the rest. And DHCP successful. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add a new office. And I'm going to call this, rename this remote office. And I'm going to put in a new closet. Oh, sorry. Don't want that. So, on a new wiring closet, this, and we're going to put in a new cabinet. And again, we're going to add a new copper patch panel. I'm going to put in another router. I'm going to put in a 2960 switch. And I'm going to put in another server. Now I'll wire these up. So I'll just move these laptops over here as they belong to this network. And what I'm going to do now as well is I'm going to connect the two routers together. So to do that, I'm going to use a crossover cable and go from port fast Ethernet 10 to fast Ethernet 10. So now I'm going to click here on back, and I'm going to add in a wall plate. And we'll wire this up. Click here and we'll just wire this up. So I'll just zoom in. And zoom out. And now we're going to add 4 laptops. then wire them up. Now I want to click on the wiring closet. I'm going to hit zoom out, and I want to configure the server's IP address. So this server will have the IP address of 192.168.2.2, and the default gateway will be 192.168.2.1, and click on services, DHCP, and the default IP address is 192.168.2.1, and the starting IP address for DHCP will be 192.168.2.3. We click on and save. Click back, click on the laptops, click on desktop IP configuration, click DHCP. DHCP is successful. And DHCP is successful. So what I want to do now is click back. I want to go back to the corporate office, and next I want to configure the router IP addresses. So we'll start here with this router here. Click on config, select fast Ethernet 0. So the IP address here is going to be 192.168.1.1, and click on. And now for fast Ethernet 10, the IP address is going to be 10.0.0.1. Subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0 and on. And now I just need to configure the command line. So it's router OSPF1. Network 192.168.1.0 and 0.255.255.255 area 0. And we type again network 10.0.0.0 0.0.0.255 area 0 and type exit. So that's the first router configured. Now we need to go to remote office, click on the wiring closet, and I have to configure our router 2. So click here on config, click on fast Ethernet, and the IP address here is going to be 192.168.2.1 and click the on button. Now go to fast Ethernet 10, and the IP address here is going to be 10.0.0.2, and the subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0, and click on. And now we need to go to the command line, and I'm going to type router OSPF1 . Type in network, uh, 192.168.2.0, 0.255.255.255, area 0. And I type in network, 10.0.0.0, 0.0.0.255, area 0. And type in exit. So what I want to do is click back, and go to corporate office, and I'm going to try and ping the IP address on the other network. So I go to command prompt and I type ping 192.168.2.3 and hit enter. And you can see we've got a reply. That's good, it means it's working. What I want to do is click back, click to remote office, and I want to ping the first network. So I'll just type in ping 192.168.1.3, and you can see I've successfully received a reply. Type in exit. So that concludes today's video for the OSPF routing protocol. If you like this video, please consider like, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.